Yes, you are reading this right. It's been 184 years since Schaeffer's Oil's been on the scene. And you know, in the past, to my mind anyway, oil's always been oil, but all the machinery the oil goes into is evolving. So naturally, the oil is evolving. How is Schaeffer's keeping up with all this new technology?
It is, and of course in 1839 things were quite a bit different. But today, the highly refined oils that we use and the additive packages, that's the real difference. Like, you know, everybody's going for the ultimate in fuel economy. And therefore, they want a lighter oil. And lighter oils, in most cases, need a better additive package and a superior base oil. And we've always had that superior base oil mind, and our superior polyalpha olefin synthetic is excellent.
The mechanics and the racers I talk to love Schaeffer's oil. How can you take something that's that good and make it even better? What have you done?
We've added to the line. So in other words, if you have a 20W50, for instance, race engine oil is our main line oil. But if you have a crate motor, they only let you run 1030. So we basically took that additive package and put it into our best 1030. And now we have a great response from the guys on the racing teams that run the crate engines.
And what are you unveiling here at the PRI show?
Oh, today, actually we unveiled this just today, and here it is right here. It's our 70 weight oil for those people that needed that high viscosity protection. Some of the big pullers and racers, we had a 50 weight in the same oil, and it just wasn't enough viscous to keep those screaming things apart, you know? So this is our newest oil.
You can see for yourself what makes Schaeffer so popular. After almost 200 years, this company is still around and still innovating. SchaefferOil.com.